then Saturday. Hold on to your goggles.
Alright, Belle, what are we making today?
We're making a magically proof bag.
And how many pencils are we going to try to poke through the bag filled with water?
40! Give it a thumbs up. And subscribe.
We're going to open up our pink food coloring, and we're just doing this to make it a little more fun. So let's go ahead and fill up our bag of water. Slow down. That's enough.
A little more. I think that's enough.
Okay, I think it might pop.
Look at all the water.
I think that's too much water. All right, we've got our bag full of pink water. All right, are you ready to start poking some pencils through? See if our leak-proof bag is really leak-proof.
Let's see if we can do this many.
All right, go ahead and grab one and try to poke it through.
Let's see if it will pop.
I don't think it will. Oh, good job. You gotta poke it all the way through the other side. Woohoo! Good job. Now stop.
That was a close one.
Well, it's leak-proof bag if the pencil stays in place.
Stick ball.
How's it look?
Good. The plastic bag is made out of polymer chains. Kind of like spaghetti noodles. The pencils slide between the chains instead of breaking them. That's why the bag doesn't rip or pop. It's magically scientific. Save the end for the bloopers.
Oopsies, I made a hole. Oh well. Well, it started leaking about 30-35 pencils, but we got all of them to fit in.
On the ground.
Start pulling them out. Let's see what happens.
I need to be careful. Oh. Oh. It's Welcome back, kids! Today we're going to do science today. It's going to be super cool because we're going to join with Grammy and Mommy. It's super cool and we're going to do so much fun stuff.
What are you doing? Alright.
Toothpick.
No, we'll just use the pencils because they're going to go into the water anyway. Whoops.
Well, when I was younger, I could fit 27 pencils in a proof bag filled with water. Yeah! We're going to do some starting. Oh, wait.
Every week.
Every week, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.